Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious baked beans, with a product that's a staple in many households. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with Bush's best baked beans, country style with bacon and brown sugar. Now, before we delve deeper into why these beans are a must-have for your pantry, let me just say, if you're on the hunt for the best canned baked beans out there, your search ends here. These aren't just any baked beans. They're Bush's best, known for their quality, flavor, and wholesome ingredients. And this country-style variant with bacon and brown sugar? It's a game changer. Let's talk about what makes these beans stand out. First off, they're slow cooked to perfection, allowing those navy beans to soak up all the rich flavors of the sauce. And speaking of the sauce, it's packed with extra brown sugar and hickory smoked country bacon. Just imagine the sweet and savory combination that'll have your taste buds dancing. Trust me, folks, these beans are a flavor explosion in every bite. Plus, they're low in fat, cholesterol-free, and gluten-free, so you can enjoy them guilt-free. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some satisfied customers have to say. Rodney Rether says, "Love the flavor." And James Barnes adds, "Great for those times when you just gotta have canned baked beans." And let's not forget about the convenience factor. These beans come in individual serving sizes, making them perfect for quick meals or side dishes for gatherings. Whether you're enjoying them alongside your favorite grilled dish, or simply heating them up for a cozy night in, Bush's best baked beans are sure to hit the spot. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate canned baked beans experience brought to you by Bush's Best. If you're ready to elevate your meals with a burst of flavor, give these beans a try. Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, happy eating!